Here, we are happy to announce that WareData Folder Protector is available on Microsoft Store. You can install via Microsoft Store. You can just find the WareData Folder Protector like this. Okay, you can see WareData Folder Protector, and you can download the WareData Folder Protector to start the installation and put the installer, for example, into desktop. After the download is complete, you can just run the file to start the installing. Installing maybe take 1 until 5 minutes. You can just wait the installation is completed. Now, after the installation is completed like this, the WareData Folder Protector will run automatically. You can see it there. Okay, to find your WareData Folder Protector, you can just type on the search, okay, on your Windows. Then you can open your WareData Folder Protectors. If you need the offline installer, you can go to our website WareData.com here. Just select offline installer. And it's up to you. You can choose via Microsoft Store or using offline installer. And that's all the information that WareData Folder Protector is available on Microsoft Store. Hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching.